Hi, I'm Rob with Hayneedle, and this is a short video on the assembly of the scrolling metal tree surrounding bench. The estimated time in this assembly is around an hour and a half, and the tools you will need are an Allen wrench and a wrench, both of which are provided. We'll start by opening our box and removing its contents, then locate your instructions. Inside you'll find a parts and hardware list. Take a brief inventory to make sure you have all the pieces needed for this assembly. Using two of our bolts labeled as 3, first taking off your flat washer and hex nut, we'll be attaching our back piece labeled as A to one of our sides labeled as C. We'll line up the holes on A with the holes on C. Once in place, we'll then take our bolt, insert through on the top and bottom, then from the opposite side, add first our flat washer, then our hex nut. Once you have both of your bolts and hex nuts attached, we'll then take our wrench and our Allen wrench and fully tighten our hardware into place. Now using two of our bolts labeled as 2, again taking the flat washer and hex nut off, we'll now attach our seat labeled as B. To do so, we'll line up the holes with the holes on our piece C. Insert your bolt through, then through your piece B. Again on the opposite side, first adding your flash washer, then your hex nut. And once we have both in place, we'll again use our wrench and Allen wrench to fully tighten into place. You're going to repeat our first 2 steps to attach our second piece C on the opposite side. Now that we have our first bench assembled, we'll now take our first set of instructions to assemble our 5 remaining benches. Now that we have all 6 of our benches assembled, we'll now take 2 of our bolts labeled as 1, again taking the washer and nut off. Line your benches next to each other, locate the holes and insert your bolt through. And again on the opposite side, adding your flat washer first, then your hex nut. Repeat for the back. Then using your Allen wrench and wrench, we're going to tighten into place. We'll then set our bench in the location that you desire and repeat this step to attach your remaining benches in a circle. There you have your metal tree surrounding bench.